When we talk about media pre-2014, after 2014, people will say, oh, look, they were all Congress controlled. They were hardly saying things. They were all people from Congress family who were working in leading channels. Is that something the Congress is also going to do, or is it already doing?
We can never be the BJP. We can never ever undermine media because we inherit, our DNA is democratic. But let me start with something that you said, which is that, they were never saying anything against the Congress. I think the biggest tirade against the UPA was happening in television studios. The manufactured outrage, the propaganda by the Anna Hazares of the world, and the kind of prime time and viewership it was getting was all happening in television studios. There was no crackdown. You think the crackdown wasn't possible if the Congress government wanted to? Absolutely it was. But they didn't inherently believe in that crackdown, and which is why people run amok. And quite frankly, there was so much fact check that should have been done. They were running absolute lies. They were propagating half-truths. They were slanderous. Without anybody being convicted, they were the judge, jury, and executor.
Weren't you running the 2G reports, the polls?
And I was a Congress MP's daughter, and nobody was calling me up to say, how dare you do this, we'll punish your father, how dare you do this, we'll put you in jail, how dare you do this, we'll shut down your channel. Nobody was doing that, but today that is happening. So I think that's the inherent difference. That's one thing. I could do television shows on high prices. How many people who are not even affiliated with the BJP can do television shows on SIR, on high prices, on Manrega, on anything critical of the government? But to go back to what you were saying, will the Congress do this? No, the Congress will never do this, and the Congress can't do this.